Welcome back to the wonderful world of dump cakes. For today's dump cake, we'll be making a mud pie dump cake. You know, a mud pie with all that Oreo, chocolate, and coffee goodness. Let's make it. Grease that baking dish. Arrange a single layer of Oreos in the bottom of that dish. Get a 14-ounce can of condensed milk and cover those Oreos. And next you spread on a layer of whipped topping. Next you need some type of powdered coffee to sprinkle on top of that last layer. Next we need 1 package of chocolate fudge cake mix. Beep, 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 beep. Dump. Chop up 1 stick of butter and place that on top of the cake. And this gets placed in a 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes. Mud pie dump cake. Looks scrumptious. How does it taste? It's very caramely from that condensed milk. And the Oreos are wonderful. And I taste the hint of coffee in the background. This is a great dump cake. I love a good dump.